Today, we will teach you how to use a heat press machine in a very simple and easy way. We will cover 5 categories and thousands of products you can create with this machine.
Dark t-shirt transfer paper. Print using a normal printer on dark t-shirt paper. Peel off the back side, place on t-shirt. Cover with butter paper. Press in machine. 10 seconds, it's done. T-shirt vinyl HTV cut design using plotting machine. Place vinyl on fabric. Heat press. 10 seconds, it's done. Using a 5-in-1 combo machine, you can create thousands of products. We will guide you from beginner to professional level. DTF direct-to-film print design on DTF film. Apply, powder and cure. Place on fabric. Heat press. "10 seconds, it's done. Beads rhinestone transfer, used mostly for ladies' products. Place, design and press. 10 seconds, it's done. Sublimation, most important, very popular worldwide. Used for full color printing. Print your design on sublimation paper using sublimation ink in an Epson inkjet printer. 4 or 6 colors. Heat 360 degree, time 60 seconds. If full color ground time, 100 to 120 seconds, depending on job. You can create a wide range of products, including mouse pads, mugs, bottles, sports bottles, DFT coasters, keychains, tumblers, glass items, corporate mugs, and much more.
The 5-in-1 combo machine comes with 5 different attachments: cap press, 15 and 20 centimeters round plate press, mug press, tumbler and bottle press, and a flat press, 28 times 38 centimeters. With these, you can create thousands of products.
Get free professional training on all 5 mold techniques, along with after-sales service, material supply, and complete technical support.